right, everyone, it's time for another mystery fruit on Homeschool Arcade. And I think this is going to be a fun one. So kids, why don't you first just feel what's underneath the cloth. Don't lift up the cloth, just feel it. And start...
Oh, it feels like a pine cone. It's spiky.
It's
and it feels
spiky?
like a pine cone.
Feels like a pine cone. Are you starting to get scared yet?
No. Wait, one of them is bigger.
One of them's bigger, one of them's smaller. They feel like pine cones.
What in the world is this?
What? Is it a durian?
No, this isn't anywhere near.
Durians is much, much bigger.
Yeah.
All right, kids. Well, let's go ahead and pull up the cloth in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! That looks disgusting.
And there's like
That
6
looks
of them.
sharp.
And there's 7 of them.
I think I just saw this before.
All right. Yes, you actually have. It was a long time ago. But these are rambutans. All right. Yes, now you remember.
I don't.
Yeah, this is a fruit from Southeast Asia. And the trees it grows on are 80 feet tall sometimes.
Whoa!
Yes.
That's taller than this house.
And its name is actually a Malay word, which stands for hare, because it's a golf-sized, hairy little fruit.
Don't eat it yet.
Yeah. No.
Smells sweet.
I wouldn't eat the spikiness or the shell.
Oh, yeah.
But these are actually very nutritious fruit. They're packed with vitamin C. What do you think it'll taste like, Celia?
Sweet and yummy.
Think it'll be sweet and yummy?
I think it might taste like a strawberry.
A strawberry? It kind of looks a teeny bit like a hairy strawberry.
Come on, brain, don't fail me.
I think it's gonna
I
taste
think
like
that's pretty sweet.
I think it's gonna taste like an orange.
I think it might taste like pineapple.
Looks like a critter.
It's pretty sweet or pretty gross?
All right, so you kids, you think you might be courageous enough to give this a taste?
Yeah. Smells good.
All right, you guys ready to open those up?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Hi-ya! All right, well there it is. Check it out.
It looks like deodorant.
Looks like deodorant.
You're right, it does.
It looks like.
So the skin is not edible on these. The white part is. Now there is a little pit in the
Wait, can
center.
we pull it out?
Yes, you can pull it out.
The skin won't come off.
It's-
It's too slippery.
It is slippery. That's a good description for it.
Ow.
Are you guys ready to try it?
Yeah.
All right. And here we go. Try it out.
It's delicious. Yeah.
Yum.
So what does it kind of taste like?
It tastes like a grape.
Yeah, it does. It tastes a lot like a grape. And there's is it
It's
kind
sweet.
of a teeny bit nutty too, sort of like a nutty grape?
No.
Like, I can't even bite into it. Like, I gotta like gnaw on it.
You got to gnaw on it.
I don't know.
And what's the texture in your hands? What does it feel like?
Slimy.
Slimy.
It's a little slimy.
Slippery.
Yeah.
Slimy and hard.
It's kind of like a peeled grape. And it feels good. So
I can't even smush it.
now what's interesting is that there is nutritional value that they say even in the pits and skins. The fruit itself is extremely good for you. So,
Thank you.
oh, you're welcome. Okay, show me thumbs up if you like it. Wow, no thumbs down. All right, so our kids like rambutans. Really cool. Well, check out some more of our videos. Hit subscribe and click the
And
bell for
like.
notifications. Yes, like it
Make
too.
sure you like that video.
And
Don't
comment.
dislike it.
And comment if you want to suggest what other videos we should do.
Good call. And we have more content to come on Homeschool Arcade. Bye, everybody.
Bye!